This company's spending $13,000 a month on Google Ads, and there's 3 things that they could change to completely overhaul the campaign, generate leads at a better cost. What would change this entire campaign around is having an audience targeting. They have the perfect search terms, but their audience and quality is lacking on the back end. That's information we gathered from the company. So if we go over into the campaign, we look at the audiences. What we can see here is that they're not targeting any audiences. This company is in the tax relief space. And what we would recommend to turn on is our audience observation, running this campaign, and then figuring out which audiences are converting better for them. Audiences are the layer on top of the search term report that people are looking. So you have search terms, and then you have audiences, and then you have a landing page. So in between the search term and the landing page, which is where a lot of people are at, search terms are good, landing page is good, maybe not so good, but the in between where you get the quality, a lot of times is the audience targeting. So what we would recommend here is turning on audiences that are specific to what they offer. So we've got financial services, we've got financial planning, and tax preparation services and software. We may look at accounting. So we've got accounting software, business financial services are good. Business services are likely good. It's very broad, but it could be good. And so what we would recommend actually is turning this on observation, gathering the data, figuring out which audiences work, and then turning it on targeting so that you're only targeting the specific audiences that are converting, that are good quality, and they are lower cost per lead compared to all your other audiences that you were targeting. So that's the first thing. The second thing that we identified in this account is that the landing page structure was not properly optimized for the specific type of client they were looking for. So when somebody looks up tax relief services, they are looking for a professional. They are looking for somebody who can help them relieve their tax stress. And what this landing page indicates to me personally is that, hey, they do what I am looking for, but there's no personality to it. There's no trust symbols. Have they done this before? Are they new? Where is the information on the landing page? And people are visual. So they scan the landing page. We all do it. We scan the landing page. We see what information's on the page. What are the images? What are the logos? What are the trust symbols? If there are no trust symbols or any information that immediately catches their eye, a lot of times they're not going to convert. So what I would recommend for this campaign is a complete overhaul of the landing page. Run it where you have trust symbols. Hey, we have 10,000 plus 5-star reviews. We've got all these locations. We service nationwide. We're CPA licensed. We've helped save people over $1 million in taxes over 5 years. That immediately grabs their attention and can pull them in and turn them into a lead. This landing page is bare bones, and a lot of work can be done to completely improve the conversion rate and cost per lead and the quality of lead. So that's the second thing that we would do. Now, the third thing that I would recommend doing for this company is going all in on locations. You can see here that they target the entire United States. They target every city, every state in the US. They even target Hawaii and Alaska. The problem I'm seeing with this is that there's a lot of general search terms that have a decent conversion rate. They have a decent cost per lead and decent conversion rate. The landing page overhaul will improve that. However, they've got these 3 locations, which are very good. If you add more cities, what you can determine based on this in the last 30 days is the lead cost is lower than the other 2 general ad groups. So since you target the entire United States, build out an ad group for every single location. Have the keywords, have a landing page specific for those locations. Build that out, more volume will come, and that cost per lead will naturally decrease. Even if nothing else has changed on the campaign, what you can see here is winning ad groups, winning keywords, duplicate what's already working for this company and just expand it across what they're already doing. And that's something that we've noticed works in a lot of our different accounts is if we notice a trend on one keyword working, a lot of times locations, we can just expand that into multiple cities, multiple states, and just duplicate that strategy, duplicate the landing pages, build it out like that, and the results will just naturally improve. You allocate more budget to those terms. Now, if you guys got any use out of this video, make sure you hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and comment down below if you have any questions. If you're going through your Google Ads account and you're just not sure what's going on, but you've got a question about something specific, leave it down below. We respond to all comments and all inquiries. If you're interested in reaching out to us, go to max-conversion.com. We'd be happy to help. All right, if you've been watching this and thinking, I've been doing this wrong, or my agency just isn't doing it for me, here's what I want to do for you. I offer a free Google Ads audit for local service businesses that are currently spending at least $2,500 a month on ads. In the audit, we'll pull up the actual account, show you exactly where your budget is being wasted, and give you a clear picture on what it would take to get your cost per lead down. There's really no pressure, no pitch, just a straight look at the account. If it makes sense to work together after that, great. If not, you'll walk away knowing exactly what to fix. The link to book is in the description below. It takes about 2 minutes to fill out. There's a short form so that I can look at the account before we talk. That way we're not wasting each other's time on the call. I'll see you in the next one.